Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to a new unclogging video on Hellhole channel. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. So today it's our complaint site where we have been found a massive overflow at multiple points. The first point has been already showed and this is the third point. You can see that at this point there is the worst situation of sewage overflow as the street is fully packed with this massive overflow. You can see it's creating great difficulties for the pedestrians. So this is the span which is blocked and staff is trying to unclog this span by using this metal wire.
ਜੀ ਆਹ ਤੇ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਵੇ ਕੰਮ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਗਾਰ ਕਢਾ ਦਿਓ ਦੇਖੋ ਮੂੰਹ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਿੰਨਾ
The level of
ਕੋਈ ਹੈ
the
ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ
next
ਹੁਣੇ ਕਰ
manhole is
ਦੇਣੀ।
ਚਲੋ
fully
ਉਹਨੇ
down.
ਵੇਖ ਕਢਾ ਦਿਓ
I can see the sewer pipes. This manhole is totally empty and this span is blocked and staff is working on last manhole to unclog this span.
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਸੁੱਟ ਯਕਦਮ ਥੱਲੇ।
As you can see that the sewer line is functional and the level is decreasing and sewage from all around is going inside the manhole.
ਅੱਗੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਢੇਲੇ ਨਿਕਲਣ ਦੇ ਆ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਜ਼ੁਬਾਨੀ ਕਹਾ ਦੇ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸੁਪਰਵਾਈਜ਼ਰ ਕੋਈ ਕਹਾਵਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ
There is an manhole in this
ਮੈਂ
street.
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਵਾ ਵੀ ਆ
That is why there is some oily type of waste in the manholes and it's also coming from the sewer pipe
ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ ਮਾਰੇਗਾ ਮੂੰਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹਦਾ
which is causing the blockage in the street. The level of sewage is continuously decreasing and this sewage is also coming from the last manhole. You can see that. So at this point, there is the last manhole. You can see that a whirlpool on the manhole, and the sewage is
ਹੋਰ
going
ਵੱਡੀ ਕਰ
inside the manhole from an inlet, which is right beside the manhole cover.
ਓਏ ਆ ਲੈ ਲੈ
Now staff is trying to remove that cover. So this sewage and some sort of pond can go into the manhole with a speed, and it could be clear the street and the passage.
ਲਾ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਇੱਕਦਮ ਲਾ ਯਾਰ
ਚੁੱਕਦੇ ਆਂ ਜੀ
ਹਾਂ
ਆ ਪਾਣੀ
Manhole cover is removed now, and the sewage which was accumulated at this point is now coming into the manhole with a huge speed.
ਖਿੱਚਦੇ ਹੋ ਰੇ ਨੂੰ ਆ
ਢੱਕਣ ਹੋਰ ਪਰੇ ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗਾ ਠੀਕ
ਕਰ ਦੇ
ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਖਲੋਤੇ ਹੈ ਬੋਲਣ ਦੇ ਆ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾ ਕੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਮਨ ਦਾ
Now you can see that the passage has been got cleared within no time, and the manhole took all the sewage which was its level is also decreasing continuously.
ਨਿਕਲਿਆ ਫਰਕ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ
This is the blockage which has been removed from the sewer pipe, which was created and blocked the sewer pipe. Staff is trying to remove from the steel bar. Now the staff is putting back the manhole cover. This was the second point from where the sewage has gone into the it is a house connection, and the inlet, all the sewage has went through it. Now we are going to check the third point where was sewage was overflowed. Level in this manhole is now also decreasing. Now we will see the last manhole. The level in this manhole is about to go down. It's creating its way, and definitely it will work and float. Now the level of sewage in this manhole is now decreasing, and it's creating a whirlpool over there. There is an inlet because the street at this point is in depression, so that is why a inlet has been made so that the sewage which has been accumulated at this point can go inside. You can see that all the sewage has this all point got cleared. Now there is no more sewage overflow. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.